Trubor nakaslem Jong Nongtrei Hima.
Ka Sankardev College komshi banta ban rakhe ka Diamond Jubilee haga khat pratrek unailar kalapan long ya ka Pynkup Burom ya ki Nongtrei bah Khmat ka Shillong Traffic Shillong Municipal Board Meghalaya Nursing Council bat ka Trained Nurses Association of India Meghalaya Chapter ya ka balapan long dak Department of Political Science Mathematics Statistics bat Sociology. Hagani kasngi ka Deputy Commissioner ki East Khas Hills District kakong isawanda lalu kalalong kum kakongsan. Hagaba kalapan ko Burom ya baro saungut kibalawan mi Khmat nakite ki South Likiseng. Nadu uba Sylvester Nongtrei SP ka Shillong Traffic Police ba FB Khan Executive Engineer Shillong Municipal Board kong Lucky Warba President Meghalaya Nursing Council bat kong Ivory Kharduit President Trained Nurses Association of India Meghalaya Chapter. Hagani ka jingalang layo ru ya ka jingren na ikongsan kumju na ka principal Jong ka college bat kumju na baro ki balayo priang ya ka Pynkup Burom. Shushu ban pensngan bat pensyungkun ya ka jingalang lawan ya shimbenta daki dikhot ka governing body ki nong hikai bat ki khna pule Jong ka college.
First time for us, 7:30 to 9 years, that is a nightmare in Minecraft. So, of course, congratulate to our team led by SP Traffic that trying their best to ensure that the students always reach in time. Of course, I do apologize that parents, when they come back from school, I'm sure they'll be late either their work place or either back home this night because of a lot of vehicles. I must share that monthly at least 500 vehicles are increasing only registration in Shillong itself. Not to forget, those registered in July ML4, ML11, ML10, and ML all from West Castle and so on. Coming to Shillong. So our road is the same. Road has been the same. Vehicle has been increased. So this is nightmare for us. And we are trying our best with all the localities that no vehicles should be parked in the roadside and all the vehicles should be parked inside the residence. But nevertheless, you understand that perhaps many of our friends having no space parking the vehicles inside the residence, as a result of which many vehicles are parking in the roadside. And this compounded for the traffic jam. And I must say that since our state is, especially law is a progress in everything, that every household, I think at least 2-3 vehicles are there. Minimum must be 2. So either 2-wheelers or 4-wheelers are there. So that's why these are really compounded or increased the traffic jam in Shillong, and also I must say that increase the duty of our officers and men. In the rain, we have no options. Raincoat are there, but then that really not suffice. But then we have to perform up to face it. And the winter, especially December, January to Feb, it's really very cheap in Shillong. But then we have no options. But our officers and men are always there to help to ease all the commuters, the pedestrians, and especially the students.
As part of this celebration, today is a unique initiative in which the college wishes to give back, in which the college wishes to celebrate not only itself and its journey, but in which it wishes to recognize the efforts of other stakeholders in our society who have rendered yeoman service, particularly in times of crisis. So it is with great gratitude that I come here as chief guest on this day, when the college recognizes its place not just as an educational institution living in a silo, but in recognizing that we are one of many. We are living in a society wherein we all have a role to play, and various stakeholders come together to make up the daily fabric of our existence. And without the efforts of many, we would collapse. So today I am extremely thankful that the college has taken this initiative to laud and to commend the hard work and the achievements of the Shillong Traffic Police, the Shillong Municipal Board, the Meghalaya Nursing Council, and the Trained Nurses Association of India. We have been able to present them with a wonderful token, and we have also heard from the representatives of these departments. Truly, I wish to say that without these departments, without these communities in the society, we would be very, very badly off indeed. I want to place on record from my side as well the appreciation I have for the Shillong Traffic Police. I think traffic has become a talking point everywhere we go. This morning, as soon as we stepped into the principal's chamber, that was, the first conversation we had. So, it affects each and every one of us. It affects even SP sir and myself. And having said that, even as we are trying to come up with ways and means and solutions and putting our heads together and doing surveys and studies on the ground and putting our suggestions to government and hoping that both in the short term and the long term we will be able to come up with concrete solutions. Even as we say that, we know that on the ground, on a daily basis, the traffic personnel are braving the heat, are braving the rain, are braving the chaos and the frenzy of every day, and also the brickbats and the, all sorts of perhaps comments and remarks from the general public, from commuters and from pedestrians on the road. Special occasion where we recognize the efforts of the traffic personnel led by our SP, led by our SP Traffic, our DSP, who are in touch with their men all day round, who I think on an hourly basis probably receive calls from the citizenry and from so many people, to firefight, to act immediately. And it is not an easy feat. Everyone can give suggestions, everyone can pretend to be, a source of knowledge or an armchair expert on the matter. But these are the people on the ground. They know best. They are the ones who are facing it on a day-to-day level. And we have actually, when we've had meetings, we've seen the kind of comprehensive understanding they have of the situation on the ground. Many things are not in our control. Many things are things which we cannot change overnight. But we really believe that with the efforts, the suggestions, the inputs they give from time to time, and particularly the hard work on the ground, because of which, as Audrey was stating, because of which the common man is able to reach his destination daily, because of which there are no brawls and fights on the road, because of which accidents are prevented and prompt action is taken. All of us can get to our workplaces and homes in one piece. SP sir has elaborated on the various issues at hand. We call upon all of you to work with us, to work with the district administration and the police department in trying to come up with solutions. From time to time, we have been trying to engage with communities, with Dorbarshnong, with schools, with educational institutions, with parents. Simple things like parking vehicles on the roadside in the morning hours or even in the night hours may lead to a terrible jam because, the arterial roads are all blocked. Simple things like thinking that parking your bike for half a minute or 2 minutes just to make it easier for you to run to the nearby store to complete your errand leads to a tremendous log jam. So we know that it is paramount that all of us take it upon ourselves. It requires a certain behavior change. It requires a certain change in our thinking in order to be able to tackle this crisis.